So if your rattan chair's gone beyond the repair stage, do not worry, it can have second life and you can upcycle it, and I will show you how. So the first stage is to remove the rattan, and what you'll need are some cutters, some scissors, some pliers and a flathead screwdriver. Cut through the rattan strands and pull away from the frame. Some of the rattan is secured into place with staples. Use the small flathead screwdriver and pliers to remove them. As you can see, it's the next day. I ran out of light, but I've now removed all the rattan and the staples and I'm ready to move on to the next stage. Mix up an external metal filler and fill all the staple holes. So once the filler is set, it's time to sand it down to a smooth finish. After sanding, clean the chair to remove any dust or dirt. So for extra stability, I'm going to add a slat to the seat as well as the back. So I just need to cut those so they fit and then just paint them so that they match the frame colour. Apply an external metal paint to the frame and crossbars, either in a spray or using a brush. Complete this stage in a well-ventilated area. So now we're going to protect the wood because it's going to be used outside. We're going to use a wood stain, but you can use any form of outdoor protection. Now, because of the shape of the frame, we've had to actually bend some of the wood. Starting from the front of the chair, position the first slat next to the frame and mark the width and length of the frame. Draw in the lines, then cut along the lines. I'm using a scroll saw, but you can use a coping saw too. Drill pilot holes, equally distanced apart in the frame from underneath. Apply glue and secure into place with a clamp and then add the screws. Place 2 shims or small pieces of wood the size of your desired gap next to the first slat, and then position the next slat firmly against them. Draw lines at either end in relation to the frame. Cut along the line, continue until all the slats are in place. For the top, turn the chair over and draw around the edge of the frame onto the wood. Due to the curved shape, I'm using a bandsaw, but you could also use a jigsaw to cut it out. Once it is cut, sand the edges, then clean the wood before applying the wood protection. Onto the arms. Mark the area that you need to cut out to go around the frame. Once that is cut out, put into position and mark the desired length. After cutting to length, sand all the cut edges and apply wood protection. As before, drill pilot holes, apply glue and secure with screws. Do the same with the top piece to secure into place. Congratulations, you've made it to the end, and now you have a new chair that you can enjoy for years to come. If you'd like to watch more of the videos that I've created with White Stores, click on the pop-up banner.